Hello children, parents, in today's craft your help is needed, and children, you can do coloring, pasting and decoration part in this activity. So today you are going to learn how to make a simple but cute bird hanging. You will need cardboard, then thread or wool, then glue, scissors, colors and craft papers. So first I have made this birdhouse shape cutout and a strip. You will color this cutout and strip and paste this strip like this here, like this. Okay, here I have already colored this cutout and already pasted the strip here. You can decorate this house with your own creativity. Then take any color craft paper and cut circle shape like this. Then cut a small circle from white paper and color it with black color like this. This will be the eye of the bird. And then cut a small triangle and it will be the beak of the bird. Then cut 3 strips like this and as a tail. Now I will paste all these things like this and your bird is ready. Here I have made 3 more birds and I have pasted these birds on thread like this. And then I will paste this string at the back side of this bird house. Here I will paste this string with the help of glue. After pasting, it will look like this. And your bird hanging with bird house is ready to decorate your wall. Hope you like this video. Send me photo. Till the time, bye.